John the Baptist is the messenger that announces that the Messiah comes.
But he contradicts when Jesus said he's the Elias.
He said, "Behold the Lamb that takes
Jesus
away the sin
said,
of the
there was a
world."
prophecy in the Old Testament. If you talk,
That's Isaiah.
no, it's a prophecy that the Elias will come down, and then Jesus will appoint the Jesus as the Messiah and the prophet. There's a continuity. But when Jesus said, "I am the Messiah," so he said, "Where is the Elias?" So he said, "John the Baptist is the Elias in the form of body." So they go and talk to the John the Baptist, and "Are you Elias?" He said, "No." So he's putting a lie on Jesus. And look, what you're all confused in this
Jesus
book.
never said he was Elias.
Then why did he send the Jews to him?
No, Jesus said. Jesus never said that. John the Baptist said, "Behold the Lamb that takes away the sin of the
I'm
world."
talking about the Jews came and asked this question.
They asked John the Baptist, "Who are you?"
Who are you? Are you Elias?
All he said,
No, we have not.
he said, "I am not."
No, who are you? No,
He said, "I am a voice crying in the wilderness."
They were expecting the Messiah.
They were expecting
Messiah.
someone else.
No, they were expecting Messiah. They were Elias,
and
Messiah.
they also expected someone.
That prophet also mentioned three prophecies. First is
they said Jesus was not the Messiah.
So the people who believed in the John the Baptist are Jews. The people who believe Jesus Christ speaking the truth, they believe him as the Messiah.
They were Jews too.
The conversion.
All the original Christians were Jews.
No, I'm telling you the conversion, what to happen, the split happens according to historical record if you go by the Bible. Yeah. I don't believe all this, but I'm just giving you reason for you.
Okay.
Because the problem is yours, not ours. The problem is that this is a contradiction to Jesus. Mm-hmm. Jesus, the sinless messenger, is baptized by a sinner. Mother was a sinner. I can't understand all this. How can you put labels on people without even born? Yeah. This is a concept.
Well, I'm a sinner also.
When you sin, you are a sinner.
I'm a sinner now.
No,
I'm imperfect.
No. You must understand, when you sin, you are a sinner. Mm-hmm. Not that you are born with a sin. And then this legacy goes on till today.
I'm not perfect.
Okay.
Now, do I live imperfect because I choose to all the time? Sadly, all of us do sometimes.
Everybody is imperfect.
So, since I'm imperfect,
yes,
I have to admit I'm imperfect to God.
Yeah, of course you are.
And when I go to heaven and God's going to say, "Look at this."
Before going to heaven, I was born imperfect by God.
That's correct. I was created a man.
I
was born imperfect. And the very first thing I did was lie.
No, hold on 1 minute. I was born imperfect. The brain you have and the brain I have and the brain you have is given by God. The face you have, the face I have, the face he has given by God. So everybody is made different. Color is different. Mind is different. So this is not imperfect. It is the way that God has given different personalities, different knowledge, different brain, different things. But He's also birthed retarded people also. He birthed retarded people. Yeah. They are also sinful. A person who can't even talk and he's also sinful. It doesn't make sense. You see, a person who doesn't know how to talk is dumb by birth. It is a sinful, is a sinner. Because he's born and came into the world.
People believe that. I don't believe that.
I am telling you, any person born by God birth is not any sinner. The devil, when you grow up, takes charge of you. You will come in contact with the devil because you don't know this. Because it is the only book that exposes...
Let's say something though.
Yeah.
From the beginning, Adam, the very first man.
Yeah. No, according to you, not to this book.
You believe in the creation.
But I don't believe the first man. Adam is not the first man in the Quran, so I won't say first.
Who's the first man?
There is no such thing as first man in the Quran.
Okay.
It's a group of mankind without a father.
In the beginning, God created. Okay. The first creation.
Mankind. Adam, mankind.
The first creation.
Okay.
The first creation.
Yeah.
He's without sin.
What do you mean without sin?
Well, he's created pure.
Okay. So, but the child is pure.
Okay. Then
he's told not to do certain things.
Yes. And when there is a rule, then there's an infraction.
Of course, he would like to do the wrong thing.
Well, and he's tempted. He's tempted to do the wrong. Because there's a rule, there's an infraction.
But according to the Bible, in the Quran, the Satan, God said, do not go near to the tree. Okay? And Abraham and Adam is spared, not wife. there was a pair of man, human pair, psychological pair, intelligent emotions. Do not go near the tree. If you go near the tree, not to eat, do not go near the tree. And that tree is defined as an evil tree in the Quran.
Yeah.
Do not go evil to the evil. So now when they both go, not the woman cheats, the man said, they put the blame to the woman. You, because the woman.
The man put the blame to the woman, and
the woman plays the put on the
Well, the woman put the blame to the serpent.
But Quran is not like this. Quran says both of them at the same time. Not man and woman is not there. It's not in the Quran man and woman.
Said the man blamed God in the Bible.
Prophets blame.
He blamed God.
In the Bible.
In the Bible, he blamed God too.
Yeah, but in the Quran,
he blamed the wife and the
Quran. In the Quran, Shaitan blamed God.
Yeah.
Only Satan. Only Satan blamed God. You give me this power. You have given me this power. You took misguided people. You did it. He's putting the charge on the.
Well, in our story it says.
Oh, prophet Isaiah.
Adam and Eve say. The serpent.
Yeah, I know.
He beguiled and I eat.
Yeah,
Say,
Adam.
Adam, did you eat? Yes. The woman that you gave me. The woman you gave me. She gave me and I ate. He asked the woman. You know.
But in the Quran, no blame game. Adam and his pair said sorry.